Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations. I'm here to participate in Embellish With Us Wednesday, hosted by Marianne's Craft Corner and Raina at Lilo Crafts. I will link their channels down below in the description box. I'm a little late starting because I had to run around, but I wanted to participate in this open collab. So first I wanted to show you that I did something different with my mirror. I put some, I added some of these jimmies, flatback jimmies on my mirror. Marianne suggested that. So I went ahead and tried that so it could stay open even more. So there's that. I just embellished the front. And something about these glue strings are really starting to irritate me. So that is that. I wrapped it around so this can lay a little flatter. So there's that. And I'm going to show you what I made. This one says, "You are my sunshine." And I've had these in my stash forever. There was only just 2 pieces I could put on there. So there's that one. This says "Dream." I had a mix here of this I used. And then here's this one. And this is ribbon that comes like this. And the bow. This is the first one I made. And I had this here that I got from Walmart a couple years back. And I put the rest of the trim that was left over right here. I just kind of, it says "Smile," and then I put it on here, the beads, flat back pearls here. So there's that one. And this is another one. And I used this bag that I got last year. I got it from Amazon. And just little flowers. And then I put a flower here. And then I used different material. There's only one piece of ribbon that was able to fit on here. And then I put the flower and the butterfly. So there's that. So I left one out and I thought we could work on it real quick. I'm just going to gather a few things and I'll be right back. I have a little bit on there, or a little bit to cover it up. So I had these bows in my stash. So I was thinking, cut that piece off. Maybe this one, or this one. I'm thinking this one. was trying to find too much red there. So I was trying to find something to kind of counteract that. So this is what I got so far. Get that out of the way. And just clip it on. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick the heart probably right here for now. So we'll put some on the back. It's like I'm scared of it now because it burnt me earlier. So we're just going to put the heart right in the middle. This is for a challenge, and so yeah, there that is. I may add a few more things on it, but that is the gist of what I've been making, and you can just put it down there. So all right, so I'm going to leave it like that. I may add a couple more things to it, but that's pretty much what it is. And then you just, you know, can add whatever you want onto it. So if you want to follow the hashtag Embellish with Us Wednesday so you can see what other people have been making. All right, everyone, thank you for stopping by, and be safe and take care. Bye.